We out here, another beautiful day to discover what the fuck is up with the raw chicken. So, diets are pretty interesting. I've been interested about the nutrition and diets for a long time, because I know how much it affects how I feel every day. And these days, some scientists or people or influencers, they show you this study, and this study says, this study proves this kind of diet is the best. We get a breast today. Then there is these other people, scientists, influencers on the completely other side, and they say these studies, which show completely the opposite, show that this kind of diet is the best. And they are really charismatic, they can speak well, they have plenty of studies, completely the opposite sides. And it's really hard to know what the fuck is going on. Then there is these people in the middle, or out of the game, not really playing that game, that say that pretty much all the nutritional studies are garbage. They're pretty much bullshit. They don't really show what's going on. You cannot really see from the studies how these things affect our health, because these studies can be corrupted. The scientists can be bought out, and you can like fake the studies to show that, make the studies show that the desired effect happens. So who can you trust these days? That's why we're doing our own experiment. There is a lot of data and information these days, like a shit ton, but there is very little knowledge or wisdom. And how do we get knowledge or wisdom? We have to know it ourselves. We have to learn by experience. So we out here experiencing the powers of raw chicken. Day 6, feeling pretty good. Actually, my first nutrition study, big nutrition study that I did on the internet was veganism. Still have my vegan channel out there. See if you can find it. And that little study failed. It was an epic fail. It was a complete failure. Veganism really destroyed my body. So now I know. Now I know for sure veganism is shit. For me, and personally I kind of think it's shit for everybody. I also got some raw butter today. Raw chicken and raw butter. That's the new peanut butter and jelly. Let's make it happen. Let's make it happen. Yeah. Yeah. So we'll fail and we learn. Maybe the raw chicken will fail me. Get a big food poisoning or something. But this far, feeling really good. But yeah, the veganism study. I was 4 years vegan. That's a long ass time to eat only plants. And I make videos to the YouTube almost 3 years, but I quit year before I quit the veganism. I quit doing the videos because I knew in myself that this ain't it, man, this ain't it. But I was so into the belief that this is the best diet, and it was so ingrained in myself and such a habit to eat vegan that it took year longer still to quit it. It's almost like a religious belief. We're here in the church. I love this church. It's beautiful. What is this? So the one here. There's other ones. But anyways, diet wars, they are going on. We're figuring out it ourselves. Like you should also. I'm just showing. We're just figuring out, is the raw chicken safe? Is it healthy? Does it make you feel good? Does the poop come out nice? Or do you have diarrhea? This far, poop good. No pimples today. Great day in the sun. God bless. Thank you, Chicky. See ya. A big ass building.